Summer is right around the corner, and we have another great DTF idea to offer your clients. Coloring shirts. Whether it's a kid's summer camp, religious gathering, or even a trip to Disney, custom tees are awesome. However, here at DTF Superstore, we like to think outside the press, and we've taken customization to a new level. Let's get started. First things first, we recommend pairing your coloring shirt offer with a set of fabric markers, which are linked in the description below. And you're going to want to print this on a white shirt, as these fabric markers only work on lighter color fabrics. If you're looking for inspiration or just some basic coloring book graphics you can use, head over to Adobe Stock's free area and search for coloring book. You can find these kind of graphics all over the internet, but I love the resources that Adobe has available for free. We want a design that isn't too complex, but still fun for a kid to color. We also had a great idea when we were working on our Father's Day DTF Ideas video. You can make a custom shirt the kids can color for dad. Let's make that one, and one your kids would love to wear. A couple of quick tips. Make sure your image is 300 dpi. If the graphic is going to be 8 inches wide, make sure your resolution is 2400 pixels. Due to this image being just black lines, you'll want to double check your white underbase settings and set your choke to 0. With some of the lines being very fine, we want to give this the best opportunity to adhere properly. All right, let's rip it, print it, and cure it. If you're feeling inspired, let us know by hitting that thumbs up button. When pressing shirts, especially smaller ones like this, it is not necessary to thread the shirt over the platen. We can just lay it on flat and do our best to get the seams out of the way. Getting the neck seam off the platen is the most important. When working with a graphic that is just lines and not larger areas of ink, we found it best to let the transfer cool, even if it's a hot peel film. As usual, a second press is critical for durability and hand feel. So we're second pressing with some parchment paper at the same temperature and pressure. And just like that, we have a coloring shirt ready for your kid's artistic touch. So I found the nearest kid and asked them to color their shirt with me. Place a piece of cardboard inside the shirt to make sure the fabric markers don't bleed through to the back of the shirt. I think this turned out pretty great. And when my kids were younger, I would have loved getting something like this from them and would proudly wear it. One last thing, Emma has a question.
Comment below who's better, mine or Jeremy's. We're probably going to wear it. Bye!
For more DTF inspiration, check out the DTF Ideas playlist and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.